Hi everyone, this is Dalai Lama, Assistant Professor Physics in WITS College. Welcome to WITS Connect. Previous class we discussed the dimensional formula of physical quantities. Today discuss topics the physical quantity, pressure and stress. To find out the dimensional formulas. First of all, what is the pressure, what is the stress? The formula of pressure or stress. The formula of pressure, force by area. What is the definition of force? Force equal mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration by area. Area means the length square. Next one is the mass. The acceleration. The definition of acceleration, change in the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Velocity by time by length square. This is the acceleration formula. Next one is the mass into velocity by time length square. The another definition is the velocity. What is the velocity? The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Velocity formula, displacement by time. Time into time square. The denominator time square. So the denominator of length square into time square by length square and time square. The velocity by time, but the definition of velocity, displacement by time, time into time square. Velocity by time into time, displacement by time, d by t square. This is the velocity formula. Next one is the mass, displacement, length square, the time square. Mass is the m into the displacement is the length by the another one, the length square is the length square into time square. There is no confuse. The force, mass into acceleration by length square. Mass, velocity by time. The formula of acceleration, velocity by time by length square, the length square. But the definition of velocity, displacement by time, time into time square. So mass into displacement by length square into time square. Finally, the m is the mass into displacement is the length. Next one, length square is the time square. Length cancel the 1. So mass into mass by length into time square. The length and time is the denominator. To convert into the numerator, mass into length square. For length, whole to the power of -1, time whole to the power of -2. This is the formula of pressure and stress. Finally, the formula of pressure and stress, mass into length power of -1, time whole to the power of -2. This is the formula of pressure and stress. To find out the dimensional formula of pressure and stress, is the M means mass. The dimensional formula of mass is capital M. The dimensional formula of length is capital L, the power of -1. Next one is the time. The dimensional power of time is the T whole to the power of -2. This is the dimensional formula of pressure and stress. Last one is the SI unit of pressure and stress. The SI unit of formula, force by area. The SI unit of force is Newton. The SI unit of area is the meter square. So answer is Newton into m to the power of minus 2 Newton per meter square. This is the SI unit of pressure and stress. The another one physical quantity is the strain. Strain formula: change in length by original length. This is the formula of strain, original length. The change in length means L by original length is L. L cancel equal to 1. So the formula of strain, change in length by original length, L by L is equal to 1. So the dimension formula of strain, there is no dimension formula. Strain is the important. There is no dimension formula or dimensional less. No dimensional formula. Or dimensional less. So the strain, there is no dimension formula or dimension less. The S sign is there is no units. There is no units. There is no units in strain and there is no dimension formula of strain. The next one physical quantity is angular displacement. What is the formula of angular displacement? Arc by radius. Arc means the length. Another one is the radius is the length. Length by length. Equal 1. This is the formula of angular displacement. Next one is the dimension formula of angular displacement. Is the one. So m power of 0. L power of 0, T power of 0. There is no dimension formula of angular displacement. So, no dimensional formula. No dimensionless. There is no dimension formula for angular displacement. Formula arc by radius, length by length is equal to 1. So answer is m power of 0, L power of 0, T power of 0. The dimensional less. The SI unit of angular displacement is the radian, RAD. The radian. Radian is the SI unit of angular displacement. The next one physical quantity is angular velocity. What is the definition of angular velocity? The rate of change of angular displacement is called angular velocity. Angular displacement. Angular displacement by time. Angular displacement by time. Angular displacement means the arc by radius, the 1 by T. 1 by T. It means the dimension formula of 1 by T. There is no mass, there is no length. So m power of 0, L power of 0, T to the power of minus 1. This is the dimension formula of angular velocity. Repeat once again. The formula of angular velocity, the rate of change of angular displacement is called angular velocity. Angular displacement is the arc by radius is equal 1 by T. The m power of 0, L power of 0, T to the power of minus 1. The SI unit of angular velocity. The angular displacement is the radian, RAD, radian. Is the time, is the second universe. The radian per second or radian into second inverse. This is the angular velocity SI unit. The next one is the angular acceleration. The definition of angular acceleration, the rate of change of angular velocity. The rate of change of angular velocity is called angular acceleration. The rate of change of angular velocity is the T angular velocity 1 by t by time is the t. So 1 by t square is the 1 by t square is the formula of angular acceleration. Next one is the dimension formula of angular acceleration. Angular velocity radian by the dimension formula of angular velocity by time. M power of 0, L power of 0, t to the power of minus 2. This is the dimensional formula of angular acceleration. The next one is the SI unit of angular acceleration. Angular velocity. Angular velocity means the radian per second. This is the angular velocity formula by time into s. Radian by s square. S means second square. So answer is radian per second square or radian by second square. This is the SI unit of angular acceleration. The another physical quantity is temperature. The dimension formula of temperature, the K, the square bracket of K or the square bracket of theta is the dimension formula of temperature. Next one is the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin or degree Celsius or degree Celsius or degree centigrade. This is the temperature of the physical quantity. The physical quantity of electric current. The dimensional formula of electric current, the square bracket of I, the SI unit of electric current, ampere is the capital A, ampere. The physical quantity of electric current, the dimensional formula square bracket of I, the SI unit of electric current is ampere, capital A to write the ampere. This is the physical quantity of electric current. The physical quantity of luminous intensity. The dimension formula of luminous intensity is the square bracket of C and the SI unit of luminous intensity, candela, CD, candela. The physical quantity of luminous intensity of light is the dimensional formula of luminous intensity of light is the square bracket of C. The SI unit of luminous intensity is CD, is the candela. The next one is the gravitational force. The physical quantity of gravitational force. The formula of gravitational force, work by mass. Work by mass. Next one is the formula of work. The formula of work, force into distance by mass. The formula of work, force and distance by mass. Next one is the formula of force is equal to F is equal to ma. F is equal to ma into distance, the length L by m. So m is the mass by m is the mass. mm cancellation. Next one, a into L. A means acceleration, change in the velocity is called acceleration. V by t into L. This is the acceleration. V for acceleration. The another one definition is the V. V is the velocity, change in displacement by time. By time into length L. Displacement means is the length L into time by t. The velocity formula displacement by time, but V by t by t. T by t is the t square into L. L into L, L square by t square the length square. L means the length square by time square. This is the formula of gravitational potential. Repeat once again. The formula of gravitational potential, work by mass. The formula of work, force into distance by mass. Force, F is equal to ma. This is the F is equal to ma. M into A into L. M cancel, remaining A into L. A means acceleration. The definition of acceleration, velocity by time, v by t into L. The definition of velocity, displacement by time, displacement by t by t into t square. The L, the displacement means the L, L into L square, t square, length square by time square. This is the formula of the gravitational potential. The dimensional formula of gravitational potential is the only length time. There is no mass, so m power of 0 length, L to the power of square, L square time. The denominator, to change the numerator, t to the power of -2. This is the dimension formula of gravitational potential. Next one is the SI unit. The SI unit is the work. The SI unit of work is joule, J. Then by mass, by kg. So, or joule for kilogram. This is the SI unit of gravitational potential. Thank you.